sleep. Hold my hand and let yourself fall down. I know that we have to run as fast as we can, 'cause we don't